Welcome to my series of AI videos. Today's video is on A2A, agent to agent, that you might have heard like a buzzword. A2A was developed by Google, so it has different SDKs, right? These are still evolving, so there is no standard SDK. So this demo we are going to focus purely based on HTTP implementation. Okay. So this agent to agent, we are going to write a simple mock chatbot agent. Okay, using fast API, we're going to host it, right? So it has first discovery, right? It's on the agent endpoint. It's going to give a name, description, what are the capabilities. It's a chat capability that it has, right? What is the input? What is the output? The next endpoint is tasks, right? So it's going to give ability to create a task, okay? And we can create only chat tasks, but that is the only capability it has. It has an internal function called process task, which is going to process this task that got created, right? And since this is a chat agent, right, it's kind of hard coding responses. When you say hello, it will say, hi, how can I help you today? Okay. Then you can check the status of the task. Okay. As simple as that. Now I have run this in my environment, right? I have started this mock chatbot agent using fast API, and you can look at it or execute using a localhost 2008, right? At slash docs it lists all the endpoints. So this agent endpoint you can execute using a get. You say try it out and you execute, and it will give you the output, right, which says it's a mock chatbot agent. It has a chat capability. Okay. Similarly, you can create a task using post, right? You can see the status of the task, so on and so forth. Okay. Now, to simplify life, additionally, I have also written a A2A client. Okay. Now, what this client does is it first does a discovery. Okay. So it will discover whatever A2A agents are there and what capabilities they have. Right now, it will take out the chat capability, right, which is what we're going to invoke on, right? It will use that capability to create a task. So it will invoke it, right, to create a task. And one key point about A2A is it's asynchronous, right? So you have to, after invocation, you have to wait for result. Okay, it will poll for that result, right? Uh, After it's completed, you have to pass the response, right? It will pass the response and it will give you the output. Okay, so there is a full flow, right? So in a chat, you first do discover, right? Then you get the chat capability, right? Then you create the task, right? With this chat capability, okay, with the message that you want to pass. You poll, right? You wait for the result, and then you pass that response. As simple as that, right? So I will run it to show the invocation and execution, right? So it will first fetch the agent card, right? So it's mock chatbot agent. It has a capability of chat, right? Then it will create a task, right? It's going to wait for the completion, right? After it's completed, it's printing the result, right? And you can see the replies, hi, how can I help you today, with a confidence of 0.99, right? Which is what we saw. We had kind of, hard coded in this agent, right? Depending on what you say, it's going to give a response. Okay, so if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and good luck with your A2A or AI journey going forward. Bye for now. See you in the next video.